A lot of that has to do with how old you are and what are your current activities in your life. So let's say a young woman who has normally been having her period every single month regularly suddenly stops having a period. That would be a reason to go and get some medical help or advice about that, because that wouldn't be a normal situation. But there's a lot of things that influence whether or not women get their periods on time or every month or in a cycle, so to speak. If someone is sexually active, the number one thing that always pops up on our list that we should not miss is a pregnancy, because someone who's sexually active and not trying to prevent pregnancy actively and then misses a period, first thing to do, of course, take a pregnancy test or go speak to somebody who can help you to get a pregnancy test. If that's not the case, of course, there are many other things that could be the reason for not getting a period on time, some of which could be kind of obvious because certain medications, like if someone is on some type of hormonal medication or even contraceptive medication, other medications can stop or slow or make irregular a period cycle. Medical conditions, so thyroid conditions or diabetes or great weight loss or weight gain are other reasons for that. But it all depends on what the pattern leading up to this loss of a period has been. If it's been normal and then turns abnormal or missing, needs to be investigated. If somehow there's always been an irregularity to the periods, that doesn't necessarily mean something is medically wrong. But I do think that if it's a worrisome occurrence, young women or any women should get some medical help for that.